Oh Lord, open my mind to our system. Amen. Slaves. That's my country. Holy dance. I'm a brother. I'm a star. I love my country. And I am proud of history. I'm a right. Holiday. I shall always try to be my dear face. To my parents, teachers, and all the others, respect and greet everyone. This scholarship to my country, and my people, I pledge my devotion and their